I've finally got the sender unit off. Christ, did I have a frigging fight with that. Anyway, I've got it off. Right. So that's your fuel return, that's your fuel out. This is a spare nipple. Now obviously it had an end on it, I've just cut it off. The metal pipe that comes with the diesel heater does fit nicely down it, but it's how I'm going to seal it. The plastic pipe that comes with it will also fit down it, but how am I going to seal it? The rubber pipe that comes with it, I don't think it's got a cat and hell's chance of going over the top of that. So I've got a feeling I'm going to be drilling that off and fitting this like that. Got this bit done. As you can see there, I got it off nice and flat, and I bent that metal pipe down to there. It's nowhere near the bottom, so it's never going to run the diesel tank empty. It will always stop working before the diesel tank gets empty. Right, so now I've got to find somewhere suitable where I can get to that once the fuel tank's back up and is in an accessible area. So that's my last job, then I can put it all back together, and if there's enough fuel in the tank, try and get the diesel heater working. Right, I've just discovered a crucial bit of information that nobody seems to tell you when you're fitting these. They're spring loaded. You see? So when you take it out, obviously it goes up to its full height. So when you cut that pipe there and you think, oh, that's right, if you're using the plastic one, you'd probably be alright, it'd be easy enough to trim. But if you're using the metal one, you've got to take it all apart again. Make sure that when this compresses down, when it goes in the tank, this doesn't catch that, and when you put it all the way in, it actually doesn't go to the bottom of the tank. Because believe it or not, this, when it goes in the tank, compresses down to about there. So that's quite a way. So just a little bit of information there for you, just so that you know. Right, so I've had a bit of a fight today getting the fuel tank back up, which that's now back up. I've got fuel pump there. I've had to reroute all this lot as well. So I've rerouted the exhaust out of the way, the air intake's up there, and you get a shitload of cable with the fuel pump. So seeing that the fuel pump's there and the heater is just on the other side of that, I've had to coil a lot of it up there I've got a big load of it still here. Look. Right, so all I need to do now is wire it up and see if it actually works. We've got power wired up temporary to the battery. I'm expecting a few errors because obviously this is the first fire up. We can hear the pump. It's ramping up. Still blowing cold air at the minute. It's definitely not the super quiet pump. I think it's possibly given up. I mean, it does also depend on whether there's enough fuel in the tank for it to, where I put the pipe, for it to we've got a red flashing light now. It's not getting any hotter. Fault 13. Switching off. To find out what fault 13 is. I think it's fuel. Right, it's fired up. We are getting warmer. So it's still saying it is currently 4 degrees, but it's, like I said, it's took a lot longer to do this deciliter than what I thought. I thought I'd be able to get it done in a day. No. All in all, it's took me 3 days, but I've been doing it on my own, struggling with it on ramps at the front. But it's in and it's working. And we do have warm air. See you on the next one.